Hey guys, this is Dave with Arseneault Automation, and I am so glad that we were able to be a part of this beautiful project here. As you can see, the view is phenomenal. So here we were able to get some TVs in, we did some audio distribution, we did some cameras, some security, structured wiring, all of the network throughout. Boy, you can't beat this view. So on this project, we're using a Samsung 98-inch TV, and as you notice, there's no soundbar underneath it, but this whole house is covered in Sonos audio. So one thing that makes this location a little bit unique is that we were able to take the audio out of that television without a soundbar and put it into in-wall speakers using the Sonos amp. There are a ton of options for lighting control out there, and this one from Lutron actually has a glass faceplate. So this is the brains of the operation. So in here we have our NVR for our cameras, we have our amplifiers for our Sonos, we've got a fan, power conditioner, and then up above what we're able to do is get all of the theater equipment in a separate rack that actually passes through the wall. So you have access to it from the theater room. So this is the face of the rack, and in this room we have a Dolby Atmos surround sound, and the cool thing about this place is that we have a Sony 4K projector. So that Sony 4K projector is teamed up with the Screen Innovations acoustic transparent screen, and the cool thing about this thing is that all the speakers are actually behind the screen. It also has an LED edge lit, so you can actually change the colors of this screen. So if you've got a place like this and you're looking for anything from audio to televisions to cameras to security to lighting control, just let us know. We can help you out.